noise for Sucio Smash one more time. Right now, coming up, you know what I'm saying? I want y'all to make some noise for my brother, Natani Means.
Check, check, check. How you doing, New York City? If you hear me say revolution. If you hear me say revolution. I come from Arizona on the Navajo Nation Reservation. Get your hands up. Get your hands up. Fist in the sky. Hands raised high. Fist in the sky. Hands raised high. Get your fist in the sky. Hands raised high. I come from the Navajo Res. And we know struggle. Yeah. A young boy from a third world jungle in the big city now. Bitch, I'm trying to live humble. Long hair, don't touch, don't stare. Really from a no man's land, and if you're from there, you know, freedom don't come free. Got a census number on my tribal ID just to prove my Indian blood to a degree. Nah, I don't stand for that rag, and I remember our past. So with that said, I wipe my ass with that flag. So Uncle Sam, you can shake my hand, you can take my land. Give me whiskey and label me American. Cut my hair, but you can't take who I am. Still I'm fighting, writing the words of the wise. It's like I see the world through my ancestors' eyes. Find me between border town lines and red tobacco ties, next to where Crazy Horse lies. Get your hands up. Get your hands up. Get your fist in the sky, hands raised high. Fist in the sky, hands raised high. Get your fist in the sky. Yeah. Do it for the fame. I do it for the cause. I do it for the game, and I do it for y'all. My homie told me quit with the resistance shit. Looked him in the eye, said I can't relive in it. Two worlds surrounded by tradition, wisdom, alcohol, and women. Temptations left and right. I'm trying to wake up in the morning and pray, and I'm out at night. Honor my ways, but still I'm losing sight. This one goes out to my people lost in the bottle. Wake up, man, these kids need role models. But even I'm a walking contradiction. Trying to find the red road, but I'm stuck in ditches. Just a man, Can you hear me? Understand my pain, my struggle, living up to a name, I can't do that. I'm trying to make my own, all I hear is who that? Just that young long hair with that Russell Mean stare, trying to figure out the future. I hope that I make it there. You do it for the fame, I do it for the cause. You do it for this game, I do it for y'all. That's the difference between us, who you think you saw. I'm the product between genocide and law. I'm the product between genocide and law. I'm the product between genocide and loss. Yeah, get your fists up. I come from dirt streets. I crossed the bridge in Chin-Lee. Third world mentalities. Alternate realities that most don't want to see. Stolen identities. Washed away in the wash in cottonwood trees. Look. You do it for the fame, I do it for the cause. You do it for this game, I do it for y'all. That's the difference between us, who you think you saw. I'm the product between genocide and loss. You do it for the fame, I do it for the cause. You do it for this game, I do it for y'all. That's the difference between us, who you think you saw. I'm the product between genocide and loss. New York City, what the fuck is up? We just got done with the climate march. Make some noise one time for the climate march. Yeah. Like he said, I'm First Nation, Indigenous, I'm Native American, American Indian, what you want to call it. But really, I'm Lakota, Oglala, Lakota, Umaha, and Diné. And I was raised in Arizona in the middle of the reservation, in the heart of the nation. And I appreciate everyone showing me love, man. I love New York City. Give it up one